I'm going to teach you how to draw a cicada. We're going to start off with his eye. And then we're just going to draw his face. And he's got like a nose that sticks out like that. And then we're going to give him some antennas. And then we're just going to go ahead and do the thorax. And then we can do his front legs here. And they got these legs that kind of stick out like that in the front. Then we can just go ahead and give him his head right there, finish that off. And then right in here, we're going to go ahead and do one of his wings. We're going to go all the way back here, and then up, and then all the way back like that, because they got some big old wings. And then they got these veins inside the wings, so we're going to draw those in. So we're going to draw this main line that goes down like that. And then we're going to go out. Just keep doing lines out. Now right here on the end, we're going to go and make like a zigzag. Like that. And the ends of these points, we're going to go out. Like that. And then we're going to put some more zigzags through here, just to give his wings some dimension. Now we can go ahead and do his back legs. And they got 6 legs. And I don't know where you live in the country, if you live in America, but we're having the 17-year cicadas are emerging where I live at right now. And they're everywhere. It's pretty cool. But we can widen that leg up just a little bit more. And yeah, there you go. There's a cicada. Thanks for watching.